Hello, Eric with Iowa Tiny House Adventures, and I'm back with another fun-filled day of digging. So, using the Bobcat. Still haven't used the mini excavator yet, but I was told by my buddy I had to make it another 4 foot wider. So, and then we got it all really close to level. It is really close now, where before it wasn't. He said it was good, before, but I got it a little bit better. We got a lot of dirt. There's these piles here. Those two are from the last batch of digging. That's black dirt. And over there, 2/3 of that is from today, along with some dirt clay mix on the other side. So, but we got her closer to level than it was, and we're going to he's going to come out, mark it for the crawl space. We're not doing the basement, we're just doing a crawl space, but it's going to be in the middle, 24 by 12, and that's what I got the mini excavator for. And then that's really got to be level, he said. And the actual crawl space is gonna be about the height of the grass over there, and then here it'll be sticking out a little bit, but we can put dirt and stuff in there for landscaping, make it slope out. So on that side right there. But also we bought a tractor, and it has blade on it, and then another guy I know wanted to sell his tiller attachment, so we bought it too. So now we have something to till the garden out here, along with food plots for our deer harvesting. But it's been, I don't know, probably 2.5 to 3 hours of digging today, getting that done, and hopefully we can get her marked out tomorrow and I can start with the mini excavator. So that's all clay right there, except for down at that end it's still right at black dirt. But like and share this video. We're making progress on our homestead. We have named it, and Miss Rilla came up with the name, so I will hold off on telling you what it is until she can tell you. So, but yeah, so far I've used about 12 gallons of diesel. So I figure it's what, $3.70 or something like that a gallon. So, but for digging that, 12 gallons of diesel, that ain't bad. Borrowed the skid loader. I bought the mini excavator, but I already have a guy that wants to buy it. So when I'm done with it, if I choose to sell it, the tractor, we're gonna need to blade the gravel in, or the snow in the wintertime when we're here. Plus we can smooth the gravel out and stuff. And of course the tiller attachment we can use anytime, for garden and food plots and all that. There's been about 9 deer out here today and a couple turkeys, so I like being out in the country. So I hope you all enjoy what we're doing. I didn't get a chance to film it, me doing the work, but if you saw the last video, you can tell it's quite larger. So the last one was about 2.5 buckets wide, and then we added the whole another bucket width right there. So we're enjoying our time. Rilla was out here earlier along with my son and grandson, so, but she got up early this morning, had to go to work, so she decided she wanted to go home and take a nap. I said, go right ahead, I'm gonna go play in the dirt. Hey, somebody's got to do it. So I hope you all enjoy what I'm explaining. The garden, I got to get the pickups moved right there because the garden's going to go in that area. And then all that stuff's coming out too. So there's a lot of work to be done out here. And I still work my business and a full-time job. She works for me and a full-time job. So we do it when we can. But, you know, if that's what you want to do, you make the effort to get it done. And we are making the effort to get it done. So I hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to like and share. And I'm Eric with Iowa Tiny House Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.